within the light. Fuse and spark, we could blow at any time. With love and scars, we're both carrying baggage. We both got fire in our veins. Will we dance in the wreckage, or will we dig a grave? I ain't gonna be your good Prince Charming, knight in shining white. I ain't gonna be your little darling, no baby. I'm gonna be your dynamite. I'm gonna be your dynamite. Not fragile like a flower, more like a bomb. You don't seem to fear that power. I've loved it all along. We both walked through the fire. We both grew bold in the flames. Now we could dance in the embers, or we could seal our fate. Oh, you ain't gonna be my good Prince Charming, knight in shining white. You ain't gonna be my little darling, no baby. I'm gonna be your dynamite. I'm gonna be your dynamite. I ain't gonna be your good Prince Charming, and I ain't gonna be your little darling. I'm gonna be your dynamite. I'm gonna be your dynamite.
Here we have Zoe putting on her shoe. These are the dolls.
Oh, we got Jack AC, Keaton, and
Wait, what about them?
Luke.
What happened?
They all Facebook me. They're
Oh,
like,
yeah.
or Instagram. They're like, dude, bro, remember us? Like,
You have a
haven't talked to me
yacht
in like
now.
5 years.
I don't really care.
Yeah, now
but
I'm on my yacht,
yeah.
not your irritating teacher. Remember us.
Mom, say hi to the vlog.
Bye.
What?
This is Hydra. No cars allowed. We just went for a little foil out that way. It was very challenging. Here we have our drying. Very nice. Very good. Beautiful Koda. Beautiful day. Stina Lada. Opa.
Show it off. Well, you know I'm a
Here we go on the knee.
Turn it on. Gonna rock the night. That's just our style.
Yeah. Alright. Pretty.
That's just our style.
Dinghy for life.
That's just our style.
Yeah, let's do it right here.
We're cutting in, everybody. Checking
Funny
it
how you
out.
can see
No
yourself
cars.
on the outside. Oh my god.
That's just our style. Fall in love, make it pop. I caught a vibe, light it up, give it all. I always bring the fire.
Okay, what are you
Some
looking forward to
squeaky
eating?
cheese.
So
We made it to the restaurant.
Well, what do you want to eat?
Tomates.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Well, I want to eat
But we're in the middle of, I mean, it's...
bread.
That's just our style. That's just our style.
Bring it back.